Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Magic games is probably one of the most captivating ways for kids aged 8 to 12 to explore their creativity and develop critical thinking skills, offering a unique blend of entertainment and cognitive development that can spark a lifelong interest in problem-solving and imaginative play. Number 5. FLASHDASH Flashing Cube Electronic Memory Game. Enhance your hand-eye coordination, reaction time, and memory with this fun brain game. It's compact and perfect for playing on the go. Just pop in 3 AAA batteries to start the fun. Test your speed, focus, and accuracy in exciting reflex games like Chase and Catch Me. Press the red lights quickly, avoid the green, and grab the blue ones. Can you keep up? Master the follow and remember me modes to improve your pattern recall. These engaging STEM toys grow with your child's abilities, offering a fun way to learn. After each round, hit the light show button for a dazzling display. It's a great game for the whole family, suitable for both kids and adults of all skill levels. This compact cube is built to last, similar to a Rubik's Cube. It's the perfect gift for any boy or girl who loves challenging light-up toys. What we like. This electronic cube is designed to enhance memory and reaction time. If you are looking for a handheld game that challenges focus and speed, this is a great option. It's perfect for kids who enjoy fast-paced, pattern-based challenges. What people say. The game is very engaging and keeps kids entertained for hours. It's a great way to develop problem-solving skills and critical thinking. The game pieces are durable and well-made, ensuring long-lasting fun. Number 4. National Geographic Mega Magic Kit. Discover the National Geographic Mega Magic Kit, your all-in-one solution for becoming a master illusionist. It's packed with everything you need to amaze your friends and family. Learn the secrets behind timeless magic tricks using classic props like cups and balls, a mysterious coin case, and a magic wand. You'll be performing like a pro in no time. Elevate your skills with 2 specialized card decks designed for learning sleight of hand. Practice and perform a vast array of card tricks that will leave your audience spellbound. Get step-by-step guidance from a professional magician through exclusive video instructions. Master each trick with expert tips and insights to perfect your performance. Go beyond the basics and explore multiple trick variations to create your very own magic show. Combine what you learn to put on an unforgettable performance. This award-winning kit fosters education, imagination, and creativity. Enjoy a stellar experience with dedicated US support, ensuring endless hours of magical fun. What we like. This kit offers over 75 classic magic tricks with professional video instructions. If you want a comprehensive magic set that provides step-by-step guidance from a pro, this is the one. It's ideal for aspiring magicians who want to learn a wide variety of illusions. What people say. The game is engaging and educational, helping children develop problem-solving skills. It offers a variety of challenges that keep kids entertained for hours. The design is colorful and attractive, making it appealing to the target age group. Number 3. National Geographic Magic Kit. Discover the magic within you with this incredible kit. It's packed with everything you need to become a master illusionist. Learn the secrets behind timeless magic tricks. From cups and balls to mysterious coin cases, you'll amaze everyone with your newfound skills. Elevate your performance with a specialized card deck. It's the perfect tool for honing your sleight of hand and executing flawless tricks. Get step-by-step video instructions from a professional magician for all 45 tricks. Learn the secrets to a perfect performance and impress your audience. Go beyond the basics and explore multiple variations of each trick. You'll be ready to put on a complete magic show in no time. We are committed to providing high-quality toys that inspire. Your satisfaction is guaranteed, ensuring an extraordinary experience. What we like. Learn 45 magic tricks with detailed video tutorials from a professional magician. If you're seeking a magic kit that balances a good number of tricks with clear, easy-to-follow video guidance, this is an excellent choice. It's suitable for beginners looking to perform a variety of illusions. What people say. The game is very engaging and keeps kids entertained for hours. It's a great way to develop problem-solving skills and critical thinking. The game has a good replay value, offering new challenges each time. Number 2. Fantasma Masters of Magic Starter Kit. Unleash your inner magician with this incredible starter kit. It provides everything you need to learn and perform over 450 amazing magic tricks. This comprehensive set includes classic magic props like cups and balls, multiplying balls, a phantom deck of cards, linking rings, and much more to get you started. Explore the art of illusion with a special box that can make objects vanish, reappear, or even transform. Mesmerize your audience with these incredible feats. Gain insights from the best with included instructional videos and bonus footage featuring legendary magicians. Discover the secrets behind their greatest tricks. Ideal for aspiring magicians aged 8 and up, this kit makes a fantastic gift for any occasion, from birthdays to holidays. It's also a great way for adults to learn a new skill. Endorsed by the International Brotherhood of Magicians, this is the #1 magic brand worldwide. You can trust in the quality and safety of our products. What we like. This is an extensive magic set designed for aspiring masters, teaching over 450 tricks. If you're looking for the ultimate magic kit with a vast repertoire and endorsement from professional magicians, this is it. It's perfect for dedicated young magicians who want to delve deep into the art of illusion. What people say. The game is very engaging and kept my kids entertained for hours. It's a great way to develop problem-solving skills and critical thinking. The game pieces are durable and well-made, ensuring long-lasting fun. Number 1. Wizards and Werewolves glow-in-the-dark outdoor game. Step into a world of magic with Wizards and Werewolves. This thrilling game brings fantasy to life right in your backyard. Werewolves prowl in the dark while wizards seek magical crystals to break a curse. It's an exciting hunt where you'll be howling for more. Experience a new kind of active play. It's a blend of hide-and-seek, capture the flag, and tag, perfect for kids and camping adventures. Never get bored with this magical set. Featuring 3 levels of gameplay, unique powers, and bright, glowing pieces, the fun never stops. Jump right into the action with easy-to-follow instructions and clear game pieces. It's simple for everyone to learn and enjoy. Searching for a unique gift. This engaging outdoor game is more exciting than typical toys, making it an ideal birthday or family present. What we like. This game brings fantasy to life with a glow-in-the-dark outdoor adventure. If you're searching for an active, engaging game that combines elements of tag and capture the flag with a magical theme, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for outdoor fun, camping, and kids who love imaginative play. What people say. The game is very engaging and keeps kids entertained for hours. It's a great way to develop problem-solving skills and critical thinking. The game is easy to set up and understand, making it accessible for kids of all ages within the target range. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.